the ultimate guide for teenagers, safe and secure freelancing platforms for 2024. As a teenager, you're eager to explore the world of freelancing and earn some extra money while developing your skills. However, it's essential to ensure that you're using reputable and secure platforms to avoid any potential risks. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the safest and most secure freelancing platforms for teens in 2024. Step 1. Choose the right platforms. Before diving into the world of freelancing, it's crucial to select platforms that cater to teenagers. Here are some popular options. 1. Fiverr. A popular platform for freelancers, Fiverr allows you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and offer services starting at $5. 2. Upwork. Upwork is a well-established platform for freelancers, offering a range of job opportunities in various fields. 3. Freelancer. Freelancer is another popular platform that allows you to compete for projects in various categories. 4. TutorMe. If you're great at a particular subject, TutorMe is an excellent platform to offer your tutoring services. 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a platform that rewards you for completing small tasks, taking surveys, and watching videos. Step 2. Create your profile. Before applying to jobs or gigs, make sure to create a professional profile on the chosen platforms. This includes 1. Uploading a profile picture. Use a clear and recent photo that represents you. 2. Writing a bio. Clearly state your skills, experience, and interests. 3. Setting your rates. Determine your hourly rate or fixed price for each project. 4. Adding skills. List your relevant skills and certifications. Step 3. Verify your profile. To ensure security and credibility, verify your profile by 1. Connecting your social media accounts. Link your social media profiles to your freelance profile. 2. Verifying your email. Confirm your email address through the platform's verification process. 3. Providing a phone number. Add your phone number to receive important notifications and updates. Step 4. Apply for jobs and gigs. Once you've set up your profile and verified it, start applying for jobs and gigs that match your skills and interests. Make sure to 1. Read job descriptions carefully. Understand the requirements and expectations of each job. 2. Submit high-quality proposals. Write a clear, concise, and professional proposal outlining your approach, skills, and experience. 3. Set realistic expectations. Be honest about your availability and workload. Step 5. Complete tasks and projects. After landing a job or gig, focus on delivering high-quality work. 1. Understand the project requirements. Clarify any doubts or questions with the client. 2. Set deadlines. Plan your work schedule accordingly to meet deadlines. 3. Communicate with clients. Keep clients updated on your progress and respond promptly to their messages. Step 6. Get paid. Once you've completed a project or task, get paid by 1. Transferring funds. Use the platform's payment system to transfer funds to your bank account or e-wallet. 2. Requesting payment. Initiate payment requests through the platform's dashboard. Additional tips for teenagers. Always read reviews and ratings before applying to jobs or gigs. Set clear boundaries with clients regarding communication and work hours. Keep your personal information private and secure. Report any suspicious or fraudulent activity to the platform's support team. Conclusion. Freelancing can be an exciting and rewarding experience for teenagers, but it's essential to prioritize safety and security. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of freelancing while earning money and developing valuable skills. Remember to always stay vigilant, communicate effectively with clients, and prioritize your well-being. Happy freelancing!